everybody. Today we will be looking at 2017 IGKO paper class 4. First part is general awareness 2017 paper. First question, what is the currency of South Africa? Options are shilling, dollar, rand, euro. Correct option is C, rand. Next question. What is the largest fish in the world? Basking shark, Greenland shark, great white shark, whale shark. Option D is the correct option, whale shark. Next question. Select the incorrect match from the following pairs. First option, oncologist focuses on the treatment and prevention of cancer. Second option, pediatrician deals with the diseases of eyes. Cardiologist treats heart related diseases. Surgeon performs surgery. Which is the incorrect match? Here pediatrician means treats the children, or it's not deals with the diseases of eyes. Deals with the diseases of eyes is ophthalmologist. So B is the correct answer. Next question. Constellation is a group of stars which forms recognizable patterns or shapes in the night sky. Identify the constellation shown in the picture. Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Cassiopeia. C is the correct option, Orion. Next question. Which of these words is correctly spelled? Present, present is present. So this is not correct. Natural, natural. Dictionary also not correct. Profession, profession, ssion. So correct option is B, natural, natural. Next question. The picture shown is the famous painting called the Madonna of the Book. Which Italian artist painted it? Leonardo da Vinci, Giorgio Vasari, Sandro Botticelli, Masaccio. C is the correct option, Sandro Botticelli. Next question. Who among the following is known as the father of English poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer, William Shakespeare, John Milton, none of these. A is the correct option, Geoffrey Chaucer. Next question. Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at options Bodh Gaya, Nalanda, Sarnath, Kushinka. Correct option, Sarnath. Next question. Which of the following is or are not matched correctly? First one, output sound from the computer. Input and output device. An output device used to write directly on the screen. Input sound or voice to the computer. Here, which is the correct option? Not matched correctly. So this is not correctly matched. Output sound from the computer is not input sound from the computer to the computer. So this is not correct. Then this is not an output device used to write directly on the screen. This is an input device. This is not output device. Then next one is, this is not input sound or voice to the computer. This is output. So not correctly matched. D is the correct option. 1, 3 and 4. Next one. Which of the following helps in converting milk into curd? Viruses, fungi, bacteria, protozoa. C. Bacteria is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following water sports is incorrectly named? Rowing, water polo, yachting, water skiing. Which is incorrectly named? Here this is not water polo. So B is the correct option. Next question. He was one of India's greatest freedom fighters who was also called Netaji. Whom are we talking about? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So 12C is the correct option. Next question. On the basis of the given figure, which of the following statements is true? In this figure, 7 by 10 of triangles have lines. How many triangles have lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles have lines. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 also. 10 plus 10, 20. Out of 20, 7 are there. So 7 by 20 of triangles have 7 by 20 of triangles have lines. So which is the correct option? 7 by 20 of triangles have dots. Dots means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 20 triangles have dots. So B is the correct option. Which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Correct option D, Rajasthan. Next question. Copa America was formerly known as FIFA World Cup, UEFA Euro, UEFA Champions League, South American Football Championship. Copa America was formerly known as South American Football Championship. D is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following has an advertising slogan stated "Share Moments, Share Life"? Canon, Nikon, Kodak, Olympus. C is the correct option, Kodak. Which of the following is the national game of Japan? Taekwondo, football, handball, sumo wrestling. 17. D is the correct option, sumo wrestling. Identify it. I am a 4-digit number. All my digits are different. All my digits add up to 20. the hundredths digit is double the ones digit and tenths digit is thrice the thousandths digit. I am a 4-digit number. So in options all are 4 digit. All my digits are different. So all are different. Then all my digits add up to 20. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17 plus 2, 19. So A is not correct. Here 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 6 plus 4, this is also 20. This also 20. So the next, the hundredths digit is double the ones digit. Here hundredths digit is 2. Doubles the ones digit. Ones digit is 6. So it's not correct. Here it's correct. Ones digit 4 and double is hundredths digit. 4 into 2, 8 is here. This also correct. 3, 9. So this also correct. So we have to look at C and D. Then next is the thousand and tens digit is thrice the thousandths digit. Tens digit is thrice the thousandths digit. So which is the correct option? Here C is the correct option. D is not correct because the hundredths digit is double the ones digit is not correct here. 3 here, if we say here 6, then it's okay, but 3 into 3 is 9. So not double. So C is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following plants has adapted itself to the extreme environment by modifying its leaves into spines? Duckweed, Opuntia, Nepenthes, Cuscuta. Here B is the correct option, Opuntia. Next question. It is a thin outer covering of the tooth and is the hardest tissue in the human body. Which is this tissue? Cement, enamel, crown, dentine. Enamel is the correct option. B is the correct option. Thanks for watching.